Saw your question in the email. You want to find the critical values for these tests of population standard deviation. So you got three parts here. I guess we're working on the first one here. It's a right tilt test, 14 degrees of freedom, and 0.1 alpha's 0.1 level significance. So you could do it by hand. You could click on it here, or you could use technology. I'm using StatCrunch here. If you click on Stat button and then Calculators, and you bring up the chi-square calculator to find these critical values. It's a chi-square distribution, so this might be the easiest way. So we're doing a right-tailed test, and so you want a greater than degrees of freedom was 14, and alpha is 0.1. So you enter 14. You want a right-tailed test. You enter 0.1 here, and you click compute, and it gives you this critical value, 21.064 that they're asking for, and even shows you the region, the rejection region here. I like it. It's nice and visual. Now, if you're doing by hand with this table, I mean, you could draw a picture. It'd be the same picture here. Hope that helps.